OHmathgad.
Hello guys, welcome back to today's video in which we're going to be tackling the addition of algebraic expressions as we did yesterday. But in this case, we have a second example. We're going to be doing what we have here, which is a trinomial plus another trinomial. We're going to be reviewing the steps, and we're also going to be checking the combination of like terms, right? So guys, remember, we have basically two steps. The first step when doing an addition of algebraic expressions is that when adding the expressions, remember that when you multiply by the plus sign, everything that is going to be inside the parentheses is going to stay the same, because positive times positive is positive and positive times negative is negative. Okay, so after that, after everything comes out of the parentheses, you have, or you're adding the expression or reducing them, the numbers are going to be added or combined with numbers, and the coefficients of the same variables are going to be added to coefficients of the same variables. So 10a plus 10a is 20a. 30b minus 20b is 10b, okay? Like terms, a with a, b with b, x with x, number with number, okay? So let's try doing it in today's problem. So we have 3 divided by 8 minus 16m plus 5t plus, and we have a parenthesis, 7 divided by 10m plus 9t plus 1/4. Okay, so let's get to it. So we're going to rewrite it. So 3 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 6m plus 5t. And we're going to add everything on the right side. So plus times plus, plus times plus, and in this case, plus times plus as well. So whenever we multiply by a plus sign, when it's outside, everything in the parentheses comes out exactly the same. So we have plus 7 divided by 10m plus 9t plus 1/4, exactly the same. And now we're going to go to step number 2, which is adding like terms. So we're first are going to be recognizing the like terms. So 3 divided by 8 is a number, and 1/4 is a number. So these are two like terms that we can reduce. Minus 1 divided by 6m and plus 7 divided by 10m. Since they both have m, they are both like terms. And 5t and 9t. Okay, so let's go with the variables first, right? So we are going first with minus 1 divided by 6m and plus 7 divided by 10m, right? So we have minus 1 divided by 6m plus 7 divided by 10m, right? So what we can do in this case is that we can find our common denominator, which in this case is 30. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 5 times 1 is minus 5. And then 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21, right? And then minus 5 plus 21 is going to be 16 divided by 30. And then we can simplify by 2. And that is going to give us 8 divided by 15. And we had the m. So 8 divided by 15, m. Okay? So 8 divided by 15, m. Then we have plus 5t plus 9t, because they're both positive, they have to be added. So plus 5t plus 9t is going to be plus 14t. And then we have the two numbers, 3 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 4. So the common denominator is 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 divided by 8. So in this case, guys, we saw that we have 3 divided by 8 and 1 divided by 4. They are both numbers, so they can be added. we have 1 divided by 6m and 7 divided by 10m, right? So minus 1 6 plus 7 divided by 10, we solve that, and that gives us 8 divided by 5 because they have different signs. They have to be subtracted, and put the sign of the highest one, which is 7 divided by 10, and the value of m. And then 5t and 9t is very, very easy. You just put the 5 plus 9 is 14 and t. And that is going to be your answer because you cannot further simplify it. And with that, guys, we are done for the day. So tomorrow we're going to be doing a little bit of addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions as well. So see you guys tomorrow, and make sure you repeat this video, rewatch it, and try to solve it on your own. Bye, everyone.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!